This is the key fob for this truck I'm about to show you. It has an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice Ram badge on the back. It also has remote start, so all you gotta do is press this button twice, the doors will lock, and then the truck will start right up. Boom, just like that. This is a 2016 Ram 3500 SLT heavy duty, powered by the Hemi 6.4 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. It has the 8-foot box on the back, and it is a crew cab. And if you come to the front here, you'll have halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. High beams are right there. Those are also the running lights. And there's 2 fog lights on the front bumper, as well as 2 tow hooks. This does have front ParkSense parking sensors. And of course, there's honeycomb inside the crosshairs grille, looking very good. And if you come to the side here, this Ram 3500 SLT heavy duty is running on chrome rims, and they are 18 inches. And the tires are GT Radial Adventuro mud and snow tires, so you'll have tons of traction no matter what season it is. And if you want to deactivate the remote start system, it's very easy. All you gotta do is just press this button. There you go, and the truck shuts off. And on both sides of this truck, there are chrome running boards, which makes it that much easier to get inside. Black door handles on the outside on all 4 doors, and both driver and passenger side doors have tow mirrors, and they are flipped up at the moment, and they have built-in LED turn signal lamps. These are breakaway, and these are heated mirrors as well. You can easily flip them down like this if you don't want them up, and then flip them back up again if you want them up. And there's clearance lights on the top of this Ram. Nice badging on this truck, so everybody knows what it is. All right, 2-tone interior colors. There's storage down below with 2 big cup holders, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. This also has power folding mirrors. Hit this button here, and you can fold the mirrors in case you need to park in a tight parking spot. Press it again, and the mirrors fold back out to where they used to be. And there's chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. Handle right here so you, the driver, can easily get inside this truck. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. Is a tilt steering wheel too. Driver's seat is power with lumbar support, and this has cloth seating throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Ram. Nice materials in the middle here for arms to rest on. Grab this chrome handle. There's a change holder right there, and there's also a USB port, an auxiliary port, an SD card port, connect to your media. Put anything into those areas, and you can play your own music through the Ram speakers. And there's also a 12-volt DC power outlet right there. 3 big cup holders in the middle here with bubbles hold your cups into place. This flips up into the middle seat for that unexpected passenger, allowing for 6 people to be comfortably seated inside this truck. Lift this up. There's even more storage space down here, and there's a ledge so you can put anything there for quick and easy access. Fantastic. Lots of space for feet if someone's gonna be sitting in the middle there. And this does have automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there, that button turn on the box lights, and there's a directional air vent which you can close and open. Let's go check out the back seat area. Now this door opens up nice and wide, so anybody or anything can easily get into the back seat area. There's storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, great style. Convenience handle right here. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. There's directional air vents down below here, and there's 2 cup holders down below. There's a fold down armrest right here with 2 more cup holders. Adjustable headrests in the back seats. It's up above so you can hang out nice clothing, so if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. Interior lamp right there. Push it with your hand, it'll come on and act as a reading lamp. Push it again, it'll shut off. And you can flip up the seats like this, and there's a fold out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage. If you're not using it, you can easily flip it back like so. Underneath here, there is some more storage space. It has a clip right here, so you can clip this up and secure it. Very nice. And underneath the mats, there are insulated, removable in-floor storage areas. So you put ice in here and keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold. And if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. Fantastic. Alright, this Ram 3500 does have LED box lights, and there's a box camera up there too, as well as a backup camera built into the tailgate handle. And those dots on the back bumper are Rear ParkSense Parking Sensors. Nice Ram badge, 4x4 badge, SLT badge, looking good. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram 3500. And this does have a stamp on the back of it. Looks like angel wings and the initials TK. So if you put an O at the end, it would say TKO. And then, I know for me, if I ever saw that TKO, it would make me think of that Justin Timberlake song from 2013. It's a real song, TKO by Justin Timberlake. Look it up. But open up the tailgate here. You'll see that the box has wood as the bed liner. And let me tell you, wood can take a beating. So just throw stuff in the back if you need to. You can definitely take it. And the box is absolutely massive. And of course there's hooks so you can tie down your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All 4 doors will lock, including the tailgate. And there's mud flaps behind all 4 tires. Check out that chrome running board. Of course, storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, great style. Convenience handle right here. Lock on the back of the passenger seat. The side also flips up. And of course, there's a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage. And there's 2 cutouts for the cup holders in the middle, which I think is a clever touch. And underneath here, there's even more storage space. And there's a clip right here, so you clip this up and secure it. And this comes down, boom, just like so. And the front passenger side here, passenger seat is manual adjustment. Underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. There's a lower glove box here, an upper glove box with a convenience light, another spot for some pens or packs of gum, and there's a directional air vent right here which you can close and open. And here is the main spot for some pens or packs of gum. Good amount of space, and believe me, this goes pretty far in there. A lot of space. Convenience handle right here so your front passenger can easily get inside this truck. Power locks, power window switch, great style. Storage in the middle, storage down below with 2 big cup holders. And of course, throughout the interior, this does have heavy duty mats. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this truck right now. I just wanted to mention to you just before I hop inside that along with the LED box lights, there is an LED third brake lamp there too. Okie dokie, now I'm sitting inside the 2016 Ram 3500 SLT heavy duty. And back to our key fob, you can use this to start the truck. So let's go over the side here and push this into the ignition like so. All you gotta do is turn it. Boom, fires right up. Good looking gauges, and this does have the LCD driver information center screen in the middle. And this truck does have 43,024 kilometers on it, which is not very much at all. So definitely come check out this truck soon. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel here, we can go through the driver information center screen. So the first thing you'll see is that there's a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. Have your vehicle info area, tells you your oil life, full on gauge summary, engine hours, tire pressures for all 4 tires, your transmission temperature, oil temperature, and back to your oil life. You have your fuel economy page here, lets you know your fuel range on your tank of fuel, your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button here and you can easily reset that. Fantastic. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven and more. Hold this button here. You can easily reset one or both of those. Also tells you your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. Trailer tow area here lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case this Ram wants to tell you something. Screen setup here is to customize the screen, make it more of your own. You got fuel range here, a compass, average fuel economy, a thermometer. You customize what's in all four corners right here in screen setup. You have your commercial settings right here. That's pretty cool. And back to your digital speedometer. And if you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know which door on the truck is open. Nice big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, and behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. This does have voice recognition. Cancel.
Canceled.
Using voice recognition, you can set the temperature on the climate control to a certain degrees, which I think is really cool. You have your automatic transmission right here with your gear selection buttons, and if you throw this truck into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. Press this button here and that'll turn on the box camera, and you can see everything that is in the box. And look at that box, it's absolutely massive. Again, great. But I love the box camera. It's very handy, especially if you're hauling big things in the box. Press this here, takes you back to your backup camera. And the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors show up on the screen here. So if you get close to an object, front or behind you, we'll show you on the screen here how close you're getting to an object. And the closer you get to an object, you'll hear audible beeps. And right here is the 4-wheel drive. You can easily engage the 4-wheel drive. There's a 12-volt DC power outlet right here. There is a little drawer, so feel free to put anything in the drawer that you want. And down here, there is a USB port, fantastic for charging devices. 115-volt AC power outlet. Turn off the traction control, tow/haul mode. You can turn off the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors by using those buttons right there. I'll let you know on the screen here that you turned off the ParkSense. Easily turn them back on like this. Trailer brake controller, great for hauling stuff. And this does have auxiliary buttons, so if you want to put aftermarket things on this truck, like maybe a light bar, maybe a snow plow, anything, you can wire them up to these auxiliary buttons here, so you can easily turn on off those extra devices by using these auxiliary buttons, which is pretty cool. And this does have dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the brand to adjust your climate control for you. These are the physical controls: tuning knob, browse button, volume knob, mute button for your audio. Turn the screen off here if you don't want to look at it. Touch your finger, it comes back on. Hazards, back button will help you guide through your system. Nice Ram badge, a little spot here for some things. This does have an auto dimming rear view mirror and reading lamps up here. And there's also convenience mirrors with convenience lights on the sun visors. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. Of course, you have your directional air vents right here, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open these very nicely. And here is the touchscreen Uconnect system. Turn the volume. Oh, it sounds so good. This guy's Canadian, by the way. Whoa, I love it. I love this truck. Yeah, whenever you play through the speakers of this truck, it's gonna sound awesome, and you just want to dance out and, you know, move it a little bit while you're driving. Presets up above here. Hold one of the buttons with your finger easily to set a preset. It tells you a song and the artist in the middle of the screen. That says AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. You can easily direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. Media button here, so if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, a Bluetooth device connected, or something in the SD card port, go here and choose which area that you want to listen to music through. This does have heated seats up front and a heated steering wheel, and you can dim your mirror right here too. And you have access to your backup and cargo cameras. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff they have. Touchscreen climate control right here, easily adjust your climate. You can sync and unsync the temperatures, set the temperature, and so much more. Turn the screen off if you don't look at it. Touch with your finger, it comes back on. Bluetooth area here. Pair phone, make hands-free calls. Everything you do on your phone, make a call. You hands-free on touchscreen Uconnect system here. You pair more than one device. And believe me, hands-free calling is the way to go. Don't use your phone while driving. That's going to get you a really big fine if you get caught. And the info bar up top here tells you time, outside temperature. You have a compass and what the temperatures are set at on the dual climate control. And I'll even tell you if you have a device connected. Definitely come check out this truck sometime soon. It's the 2016 Ram 3500 SLT heavy duty. in bright white, powered by the Hemi 6.4L V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab with the 8-foot box on the back. It has front and rear ParkSense parking sensors. It has cloth seating inside, auxiliary buttons that you can set up if you want to put aftermarket things on this truck, and running boards and more. Come and see if this is the truck to help you get your jobs done. It's at Crosstown. I'm David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.